What's up guys, R50 back in this bitch. Today I'm gonna be welding on my resonated X pipe on the Mustang. We're out here at Canyon Lake Muffler. The guy hooked it up, very nice guy. And we're putting that resonated exhaust pipe to my already put on roush mufflers. You know, we have the setup, we got the headers, and then we're trying to go like 3-inch exhaust all the way back, so we'll see how it goes. So the X pipe is mounted. So this was the X pipe that was on the car, and look at that big ass crack right there. So we got rid of that, and I'm making it 3-inch as well. This was towards the end, and you can see the guy finishing up right here. Put the clamps right here so I could put some dump. Thank you, sir. And this is what it sounds like. I personally liked it. It tamed it a lot, and now I can listen to music.